YouTubes, welcome back to my channel, and today's going to be more of a laid back kind of day. We are going for a drive for somewhere that's kind of unique to here in our area where we live, and after that we're going to have a picnic, and I think that's all for today. But as of right now we're going to be at the gym, and today's glutes day, so I'm excited to get that started, and I'll show you guys where we are later. We are on our way to Rocky Mountain Arsenal National Wildlife Refuge. It's about an hour away from us, but we're trying to beat the clock because it close at sunset, which is 4 o'clock. And here it gets dark around 5:36. So we're trying to get there, drive around, walk around maybe, and hopefully sit down and have a picnic. So we'll see how it goes when we get there. Here, hopefully there are some animals out. I know that the bisons, when they aren't out, they are by their little housing, so we'll see if they're there, or maybe they'll be walking out on the road. They're usually walking in the road, and we've had them come up to the car a few times, so hopefully that's the case and they're just on the way. But if not, I'm sure we'll still be able to see them. It just won't be as close as they usually is. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to see some animals here. we decided to just go ahead and pull over through the drive to eat because we're starving, and we're just having some club sandwiches that she made us with some baked chips, enjoying the nice view of the deer. So we finished the trail, and we saw 2 different type of animals, but we saw a large quantity of them. We saw a large herd of bison, which you guys saw crossing the road. And then we saw one by himself that crossed right in front of the car. And then there was a ton of deer everywhere. If you want to see more animals, you have to get out and like walk around. But it's getting too cold out. Not cold, it's getting too late, and we can't stay here past sunset. And the sun is set, so we have to go home now. But I thought it was pretty fun. Did you have fun? Yeah, it was pretty fun. I definitely recommend it, just to like, you know, a simple trip that you could take your kids or whatever. Just look at the animals. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.